flesh saying enough, enough. For all the times my head said I can make it, I can make it. Coldness in your bones that waits for you. It will be far too late to understand you lost the one. Without anyone saying a word, who would have loved you well until the very last breath, the last breath. That's where the truth so hides, inside a broken mirror that no one can ever paint. Only a naked heart can do it, a naked heart. I was searching for you with living eyes. I kept the door open, smiling, just to make you understand that I was only listening, only listening. These are lost gestures where everything is written, and those who see within. This is the only way that leads you to the truth, the truth. I would have loved you well until the very last breath. I was searching for you with living eyes, just to make you understand.